141 141 divided by 2. Here 2 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 2. 2 times 0 0, 2 times 1 2, 2 times 2 4, 2 times 3 6. To find out the multiplication table of 2, just start with the previous step. 0 plus 2 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10. This process will continue. 2 goes into 1 how many times? 0 times, as 1 is less than 2. 0 times 2, 0 times 2 0. Subtract 1, bring down the next digit. 2 goes into 14 how many times? 2 goes into 14 7 times. 7 times 2 14, subtract 0, bring down the next digit. 0 1 means 1. 2 goes into 1 how many times? 0 times, as 1 is less than 2. 0 times 2 0, subtract 1. So our remainder is 1. So our answer is 70, remainder 1. But if you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal, add number of zeros. Bring down the first zero. Before the zero there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 2 goes into 10 how many times? 2 goes into 10 5 times. 5 times 2 10. Subtract 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. So our answer is 70.5.